everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope are doing well. I'm doing great too. So if you are new there, welcome. My name is Nandini and I'm from Bihar. I'm a beginner learning a speaking English every single day because I want to improve my English and I speak confidently and fluently English. So and today in this video I'm going to share about how was my day. So as usual, I woke up at 5 in the morning after I fresh up and after I help my mother kitchen prepare some food. Okay, I ate food, rice curd and potato bhujia, and it was very tasty. And after I ate food, I got ready for my class, and I reached my class on time. I waited for my class because my teacher already teach another batches. Okay, so when that finished class, I joined my class and today our class was a quite long from 10 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. and we started a new topic in commerce laser and my teacher started teaching us about laser. A laser is a book where individuals are recorded of spirituality such as cash and SBI Bank and HDFC and ICIC Bank and account. Okay. After that, I studied PowerPoint and I learned how to make a presentation and I learned how to convert Microsoft Word file to PDF. Okay, after my class, I was hungry, so I ate noodles and Manchurian. But it was not tasty, but overall, it was okay. And after it food, I go to my home, and I reached my home. I feel so thirsty and I feel tired. So first of all, I drink of water and rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I had my lunch I feel so tired, so I rested 2 hours. I rest After rested I study speaking English because I am a beginner, so I every single day practice speaking English in front of video and I uploaded YouTube channel video English with Nandini and this is my day 8 and I hope you guys my video helpful for you because I'm also beginner. If you are also beginner, let's learn together and thanks for my watching video and see you the next video. Bye.